If you want to earn a college degree really, really quickly, you've probably heard of Western Governors University. It's one of my favorite schools for accelerated college degrees. If you don't know who I am, I teach people how to earn college degrees faster. My name is Ryan. I've helped people earn degrees from this particular school in 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. Like, it is really, really fast. And you can do this without any outside transfer credits. It's pretty amazing. Again, one of my favorite schools, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 10 fastest degrees that you can earn from this school. So if you're wanting to choose this school and maybe you're juggling a few degrees in the air, or if you want ideas as to what majors you can jump in, complete really, really quickly, I'm going to walk you through 10 of those in this video. Now, first, I want to show you what I love about the school. Now, first off, they have more degrees to choose from that are fully competency-based than pretty much any other school out there. Now, competency-based degrees are essentially prove to us that you've learned the material, we'll give you credit for the class. If you filter through their degrees, they have bachelor's and master's programs in business. They have education, bachelor's and master's, tech, bachelor's and master's degrees. They have health and nursing, bachelor's and master's degrees. They really have the biggest variety out there. Now, second thing I love about the school is that they are what I call an exam-based school. In proving competency to schools in these self-paced programs, you're learning what you need to learn and you're proving that you've gained the knowledge. Some schools want you to prove your knowledge through essays and projects. Some schools want you to take exams. Western Governors University is more exam focused, and even their essays almost feel kind of like an exam. You just write one essay, submit it as an exam basically, and you get credit for that. So it's really, really simple if you can self-study and learn material on your own. Now, the third thing I love is that they actually proctor their exams, which doesn't sound exciting, but it actually ensures that students are earning these degrees without cheating through exams and stuff like that. And it keeps the value of the school strong for everyone. If you have schools that just don't proctor anything, it can just damage the reputation of the school, and you go get a degree there, even if you do it honestly. If 90% of the students don't, it tanks the reputation of the school and makes your degree worth less, which is really not fair. Now, having said that, brings me to the last thing I want to talk about that I love about the school, and that is they have a great reputation. If we look at their career services page, essentially we can scroll down and they have a list here under Night Owls Abroad. They have a list of universities that have accepted WGU grads into their master's and doctorate programs. And if you just scroll through this university, like, it is pretty insane. Like, you can just go through and find all these different schools. If we go to the H's, you've got Harvard, you've got Johns Hopkins, and you can scroll through and see so many different schools. But we're talking like some of the best schools in the country have accepted graduates from WGU because they have a great reputation. So if you want to go here for your bachelor's degree and then for your master's, you want to go to some really prestigious school, this is actually 100% online self-paced school that can actually open those doors, which is really, really neat. Now, let's dive into the fastest degrees because that's what you're here for. And we're going to start with some tech degrees. I'm going to show you some of my favorite tech degrees to accelerate. And the first one is going to be cybersecurity. It's really awesome. Now, I'll show you some more of these, but as we go through, I'm going to show you on some of these pages, they have this little category here where it says percentage of students finish within X amount of time. As you can see here, 60% of graduates finish within 29 months. And we're going to go faster and faster with tech degrees, and then we'll move on to the next category. But as you can see, 60% of students finish within 29 months. That's just over 2 years for a bachelor's degree in tech. Most students that I work with, and if you want my help with any of this, I'll leave some resources down below. Most students that I work with for acceleration will, at very minimum, cut this time in half. So this is a degree where you're talking, you could go get a cybersecurity degree in less than 12 months. And if we look at, like, let's say you wanted to do something in cybersecurity, you want to be like an information security analyst, okay? You're focused on the security side of tech. $125,000 a year. Some cybersecurity grads, just a bachelor's degree can get you up to $200,000 a year. It's pretty amazing, and you can go get this degree. Like, it's one that you can definitely get in less than 12 months if you do it right. My next favorite tech degree is gonna be computer science. Something I love about computer science is instead of, like, diving really deep into one thing, like coding or coding language or some deep niche of tech like security, like cybersecurity, what they are, like a computer scientist kinda learns everything and how everything kinda merges and marries together, and you're learning like overall how things work. If we scroll down here, you're going to see 62% of graduates finish within 25 months. So we're talking even faster. So this is another tech degree. Like computer science is probably my favorite tech degree. If I was going to go into tech, I love computer science degrees. Now, the next degree, this is the last tech degree I'm going to talk about. We're going to move forward, but information technology, this is a little bit of a hack, okay? IT, and it depends on the job you want to get, but IT degrees have been around for years and they are strong. IT degrees are great. If we scroll down and look on WGU's website, 61% of students graduate within 39 months. That's a harder degree. Like it takes longer than a lot of these other degrees. But here's the little hack. If we go to a different program, online IT management, instead of IT, it's IT management. This is the hack because sometimes it can open the door for the same jobs. IT management is like tech and business, not just tech. So you're learning like the management side and the leadership schools and some tech. But if we scroll down here, you can see 61% of graduates finish within 19 months. That's amazing. Like this is a degree, this online IT management degree. This is a degree that students that work with me, I'm like, you can do this in 3 to 6 months if you do it right. Depends on the student, but 3 to 6 months is doable for an IT management degree. So it depends on the job you want, but let's look at some of these tech jobs. If we look at computer and IT occupations, computer and information research scientists, $140,000 a year. Computer network architects, 130. Programmers, just under 100. And some of these you like don't need a college degree at all, so we'll skip those. But like a systems analyst, 103. Database admin, 123. Security analyst, we already talked about, 124. A network and computer systems administrator, almost 100. Software developers, 131. Like you're talking really strong incomes for bachelor's degrees that you can earn in less than a year. And that's really, really awesome. All right, let's move to the next category, which is health. But let's talk about public health and health science first, and then we'll go into one that's even faster. Now, public health is like you're doing a lot of healthcare administration and you're working with governments and organizations. Like it's a pretty cool degree. If we scroll down here, 63% of students graduate within 24 months. So students that I'm working with, 6 to 12 months is what I'm shooting for. And then if we go to health science, this says 63% of students, 24 months. You can go even quicker. I just did an interview with a student on my channel who finished this degree right here. He had 17 transfer credits. 17 is not very many. 17 transfer credits, and he finished this program here in 2 months, like 8 weeks. That is ridiculous. So if you do it right, if you take the right approach, you can go really quick. But let's say you want to be in health and you want to go even faster. My hack would be healthcare administration, which is basically healthcare management. It's kind of pairs with healthcare management. They're almost the same degree. It's just worded a little bit differently. If we scroll down here, 63% of graduates within 17 months. So this is a degree that I'm like 3 to 6 months is doable if you do it right. And let's compare numbers here. Something I love. This is from research.com. And I found this little chart here where they compare health science degrees, income, yearly salary, public health and healthcare administration. Health science, $65,000 a year. Public health, $60,000 a year. Healthcare administration, $110,000 a year, which is pretty cool. Now, some of these are bachelors, some of these are masters. What I would say, if you go into any of these, I would suggest going and get a master's in healthcare as well, because any of these healthcare management type degrees, administrative or leadership roles, a master's degree is going to further open the door for those roles and increase income and make it easier, and you can accelerate those quickly. So we're talking science, public health versus healthcare administration. Healthcare administrators generally make more money, but the degree's faster, which is something that's pretty cool, right? Now, if you want to work with money, there are a couple of degrees at WGU that can really open the door for financial or money-based careers. First one I want to talk about is finance. If we scroll down here, 62% within 24 months. This is a degree I would say less than 12 months is totally doable for most students. And then I want to talk about accounting. If we go into accounting, again, 62% within 24 months. I would say less than 12 months for most students. Now, if we look at finance degrees, if you got a finance degree, you might be like a financial analyst, $101,000 a year. But if you got into being like a financial manager, $161,000 a year, so you make even more. So what I would say is if you go into either of these, getting the master's degree gets you more in line with qualifying for these management-based jobs. $161,000 a year is not too shabby. Now, if we go into accounting, and this is my kind of warning with accounting, is that accountants, there's such a variety of levels of accounting you can get into. And on the lower end, like some accountants will make less than 60 grand a year, which I don't think is fair if you have a bachelor's degree, but $81,000 a year on average for just a traditional accountant or a traditional auditor. But CPA accountants, which is basically you get your master's degree and then you take what's called the CPA exam. You pass a big exam, and then you're further licensed to be a higher level accountant. And guess what? CPAs can easily make more than $100,000 a year. And if you get high level CPA positions, or if you're self-employed and have your own accounting firm or whatever, you can go over $200,000 a year, which is pretty good. Now, let's jump into some degrees that a lot of these are business related, but super fast, like really, really fast degrees. So if you're like, I want to get a degree in 3 months or 6 months or 9 months or 12 months, these are good starting points. Now, the first one I want to talk about is HR management. I've heard people say like, AI is going to replace HR. Now, there are a lot of low-level HR positions where like your job is to work for a company and make sure payroll is squared away. Well, better payroll softwares come out and technology gets better, and now someone else can do your job in a couple of hours a week, and you don't need a full person for that position. But HR managers, people that actually are like going into companies and they're reviewing how much you're spending in each department and what employees are needed in each department. And they help you make department cuts and they help you restructure things. And like these types of people can make really, really great money. And that would be like an HR manager. But if we go through here, you can see 65% graduate within 24 months. This is certainly a degree I would push students that work with me to earn in less than 12 months maximum, as long as they're able to put the time into school. But let's move on to the next one, and that would be bachelor's in marketing. If we scroll down here, 60% within 19 months. This is a degree that I would push students to shoot like less than 6 months if they have the time to put into school. Even if you have a full-time job, this is a degree that's like you're able to earn in less than 6 months in a lot of cases. Now with marketing, there's like marketing basics and there's like marketing analytics. I really like marketing analytics just from a knowledge standpoint, but either one can open the doors for some pretty good jobs. Now let's move on to the last two. We're going to talk about business management and we're going to talk about communications, because if you came to me and you're like, Ryan, I need a degree and I just wanted to be the fastest degree in the world, like what should I study? These are the two that WGU offers that I'm just going to say like these are really fast degrees. Now, business management, as you can see here, 61% within 19 months. I've seen people earn this degree in 3 months with 0 transfer credits. It can be done really, really quickly. What I would say, a reason that I think business management is so fast is because business and management are what I call soft skills. They're essentially things that we kind of naturally have knowledge of already, just living normal day-to-day lives. Like you walk into stores and you go shopping and you know how businesses are structured and how they run. Or management, let's say you were the captain of a sports team in high school, or you've served in leadership roles in a church. Like you kind of learn these schools naturally, or even if you just have kids, some of this can come naturally. Communications is another one where like we communicate all the time. If you're a parent, communicating with kids is like it comes naturally. And communications, we scroll down here again, 60% graduate within 19 months. I like, if this is me, I'm shooting for 3 to 6 months for a degree like this. Let's go into some management occupations. Something I love about business management, it can open the doors to lots of different jobs, but if you particularly go into management really high paying jobs. As you can see, like admin service or facilities managers, 106, advertising managers, 159. This one I would say like maybe get a marketing degree and then an MBA, 160. Architect and engineering managers, you probably need an architectural or engineering degree. Compensation or benefits, 140. This could be business management or HR management. Computer and information systems management, 171. This could be business management or an IT management degree. Construction managers, 106. Even like school board managers, 104. These, like in a small town, this might not be a very hard job to get if you have the right qualifications. Um, like you scroll through here and there are like some really great management positions that pay really well. And if you have the degrees, and I would recommend like go hack a bachelor's degree and then a master's degree. When I say hack, I mean like self-study, test out of as many classes as you can. I can teach you how to do that in just a minute, but you can get these degrees quickly and get high paying jobs. Let's get into the pay for communications. This is one red flag with communications, is that the median annual wage is kind of low, 65 grand. I would say if you don't know what you're going to do for a career, don't do a communications degree because the averages are low. But if you have a job in the communications field lined up, there are lots of high paying jobs available. If you guys remember, anyone who's followed my channel, we had a gentleman on my channel who basically was a radio host and got his communications degree, and he's had a great career. Like there are awesome, awesome careers in communications. I would just encourage you to line up the career before you get the communications degree. So these are really, really fast degrees. Having said this, there's a catch to earning degrees fast, and that is, as wonderful as of a school Western Governors University is, all schools are structured similarly. Schools give you homework and they give you textbooks and they give you lesson plans and they give you study guides and there are teachers' lectures, and there are all the things that frustrate us with school because they're not very efficient when we're trying to learn. My suggestion is to apply a process that I call going rogue. And essentially what that means is you figure out what you need to learn and you self-study the degree, and you use modern resources. So instead of doing things the school's way, you're doing things a modern way where you're using AI to learn and not cheating. I'm not talking about cheating. I'm talking about genuinely learning. You're using AI to learn new principles. You're using YouTube. You're using technology, right? And you can get degrees much, much faster. Now, if you'd like my help getting a degree in months instead of years, I'll leave some links down below in the video description. If you've liked the video, click like, subscribe to the channel. Again, those links down below. Hope this video has added value to your day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.